Hey y'all, welcome to Tasting Tuesdays. Today we're gonna make my three-way sauce. Basically three-way sauce is sauce that you can use three ways. You can use it for pasta sauce, pizza sauce, or as a sandwich spread. So here we go. I'm just get right into it. So you're gonna get your tomatoes. That's gonna be the main thing. The good thing about eating a plant-based like diet is like, you ain't got to everybody worry about like oh man, I ain't throwing nothing out. What you need to throw out. I got everything fresh. I can make this sauce in about 5 minutes or less. So all right, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna get some tomatoes. My favorite tomatoes to use in the wintertime are Roma tomatoes. I don't know why, I just like them. In the summertime I use tomatoes out of the garden, but when I don't have that luxury, I buy Roma tomatoes from the produce market. But anyway, you can use avocado to thicken up your sauce, and that way you can be dealing with no paste or whatever, and you can get some extra nutrients and everything like that, and good fats. And then I have roasted this squash, whatever, acorn squash, butternut squash, whatever, patty pan, whatever kind of like winter squash or summer squash you may have. Sometimes I use zucchini or whatever. So in this one, I'm using this squash right here. That's how you could thicken it up too. So I got my tomatoes rinsed off here, and I'm gonna just slice them up. You don't hit the, they won't go into the blender later, so it don't matter. A lot of people will like want to blanch their tomatoes and then peel the skin off or whatever. I don't do all of that because that, first of all, I'm losing my good nutrients in the skin. A lot of the lycopene or whatever's in tomatoes, I don't remember the names of things. I've been told y'all, okay? Whatever the hell, the good shit, right? Shit to make them red and all that kind of shit, whatever. It's in the skin. Like all the good nutrients and all your foods is in your skin, and half the time, 95% of the time we peeling the skin off of shit before we eat it. We ain't getting all the good stuff. So when you got a Vitamix, Vitamix, you inbox me for how to sponsor you, okay? Because I got to be, every recipe I use, every last one got to go up in here. I got to talk about y'all every damn time I do a video. So help me out here, okay? So anyway, it's gonna go up in there, and it's gonna pulverize that skin down to just good old fashioned, easily digestible nutrients. So that's the other thing. Now you're gonna get full access to these nutrients right away. Like your belly ain't even got to be going through all that trying to break it down and all that. Vitamix just gonna hook it up. Just gonna hook it up. So you just bam. So I'm gonna finish cutting up the tomatoes. And then I'm going to do some onions and some garlic. And I got a little piece of leek left, so I'm going to just throw that in there. Just rough chunks. Same thing. And then we're going to throw it in the saute pan with some seasonings, and we'll be back. Yeah, all right. So, as usual, I'm putting all my scraps in a freezer bag. And that's going on in the freezer. And this is, look. See, that's the ends and the skins and everything. When I say the scraps, I mean it. Like, don't throw them away. Damn it, if it's rotten or something, like, these little pieces had some little, they had some bounds on them. So I ain't going to put that in my broth. Like, it's not bad. Then go ahead and throw it in. So anyway, y'all can't see nothing I got going on here. So what I did was I chopped up, all the tomatoes. I just had a little piece of leek left. I chopped it up. Some white onion. This is 7 Roma tomatoes. Half a leek. About, I don't know, 3 slices of a white onion and 1 clove of garlic. I'm going to go ahead and put that in the pan. And I'm going to use grapeseed oil. Because I'm already going to put avocado in there later. So ain't no sense in using my avocado oil. So I'm going to use my grapeseed oil in the pan there. And then I'm going to show y'all and get back. I'm going to just brown these onions and whatnot a little bit before I add in the tomatoes. It came with the Vitamix. Once again, shout out to the Vitamix brand. See right there, Vitamix. So you got 4. One was for like pork, one was for fish, one was for beef, and one was for vegetables and fruits. Obviously, they all for vegetables and fruits for me at this point. But they real decent, because you chop your shit up and then you can put it right in the pan or, in the Vitamix bit. I ain't got to be struggling, like, trying to get, and then half done slid over here and all that. Just boo-doo. Wonderful. I freaking love these things. Alright, so I got my smoked sea salt. You don't normally want to put your seasonings on top of the steaming pan, but I ain't got time to be using some measuring spoons and shit. And then I got more dishes to wash, so I don't worry about it. I just don't even worry about it. Anyway, this is the white peppercorns again. They stink, but I don't like it. I do not like that smell. Anyway, it don't matter. It's gonna smell better in a minute, but for now, it stinks. Fucking stinks. Whatever. I'll put some marjoram in this one. Marjoram not good for pregnant folk. Some other warning too, I forget. Here go my oregano. I don't measure nothing. I don't measure nothing. It ain't, when you cook, that's alright. It's fine. When you cook, that was time. Think is that gonna be, that's gonna be it. For them herbs there. See, I got my cute little, let me show you. Garlic powder. Alright. We're gonna go ahead. See that? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. This smells good. Ugh, that smells so good. The glass is getting steamed up. Good golly, Miss Molly. Oh, shucks. I could get in here. You understand that? It smells so good. So the key to the 3-way sauce is to have it just a perfect consistency where it's thin enough to use for pasta sauce, but it's thick enough to use as a sandwich spread, or if that's what you so choose to do. And then also for a pizza, maybe it's because I got these flared up ass wide ass nostrils, but so I got better smell receptors than normal folks. This smells delicious. I'm gonna stop turning off the smells because y'all can't smell it. That ain't fair. I apologize. But damn. So let's get in here. Let's get into it real quick. Look at it. Y'all hear that? Y'all see that? Look at that. A splash of white cooking wine up in here. That's it. I think there's an acorn squash. I don't remember or whatever. But anyway, I got my squash here. And I done hollowed out the seeds here. However, and I'm scooping out the rest. However, last time I made my sauce, I put the seeds in the sauce, right? So I was like, it's a Vitamix. Like, they won't just blend up, right? So I was like, shit, I'm going to put the seeds in there too. Get them nutrients also as well. That motherfucker sauce was so delicious, y'all. So I'm going to do the same thing again today. But if you don't have a good, powerful blender or Vitamix, and you got some bullshit, I don't suggest you doing that. And I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to take these here seeds. Let me show y'all. I'm going to put them in there with that right there. Now, I ain't going to put all of them in there this time. I don't know why. I ain't got no method to my madness. I just feel, when I cook, I just feel like I get, I don't know. I just know what to put in there. And something saying, don't put all the seeds in there. Just put half. So that's what I did. See? That's what I need. I need like a real show on somebody's network, damn it, with Minions. as I was saying, with Minions, they got all this bullshit. They gonna come move it out the way. They gonna have my little measurements and shit. And they gonna be able to tell you what the hell ever they actually put in there. Ooh, smells so good. Damn it. Alright, so I'm gonna just put this on in there with that. Alright, y'all. I blended it up. Alright, see that? See the consistency? Not too thin, so it's like just pouring off. It can hold itself on the spoon a little bit before it drip down. Got it? Don't matter. Whatever. Listen. Whatever you like. And also, however it turn out. That's what you get. You know what I mean? If it's too thin, put some more avocado in there. Because that's probably what you still have something left already on hand. If it's too thick, add some vegetable broth, like I told you. Alright. I'm going to call this one 4-way sauce. Because, that's goddamn good. Oh my god. Okay. Cause so I could eat this like soup. It's like, oh my goodness. And then you know try to make it. It's warm. I could just eat this. Listen. This is soup. I don't care what kind of soup you want to call it. No, but this like it has like a smoked tomato cream soup. Oh my goodness. It's so good. Alright, well, I got to let it go, I suppose. Can I just, let me just. Alright. Enough of that. And see, I keep old jars from, you know, like this is some marinated artichokes that I had. I like that in salads and on my pizzas. Must have for the pizzas, y'all. I'm gonna promise you better get some artichokes for your pizzas. Anyway, so you know, I done got 2 jars of that filled up. So I'm gonna put I ain't got to be fancy with y'all shit in my house. Anyway, I'm gonna put these in the refrigerator, and then I'm gonna get my bag. Alright, so, and the servings depends on what you're gonna use the sauce for. If you're going to use the sauce for pasta, then that's the servings. If you're going to use the sauce for sandwich spread or pizza sauce, then it's like a million servings right here.